Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the automatic camera bounce effect to your video easily in CapCut apps. Alright, so you can open the CapCut apps and tap on new project, and then you can select your image or your photo you like to edit. And I'm going to open my project, and I already have two photos here. To add the automatic camera bounce, just click on the clip and you can select style button and just looking for the camera bounce here, click on it like so, click check mark and add to another clip. So this effect only used for image, not for videos. Alright. Check mark, and here we go. This is the final effect you'll have on your video. So it's cool effect in CapCut apps. I hope this information was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.